In this lesson we are going to see an interesting historical example of price shifting its frequency back and forth between one of the lines of a standard pitchfork, and also how it is important to combine different types of forks to confirm reversal points in price. In this specific case, we are going to see a pendulum fork working against a standard fork. You will be able to see the incredible precision that these lines can give you once you understand how and when to draw them. As you can see in this chart, I drew a standard fork using numbers 1 through 3 as the pivots. Observe also that right after number 3, price violates the centerline of the fork and creates a frequency shift. Starting from the peak of this shift, we can draw a sliding line to project a possible future price peak, which happened a few candles later, as you can see. However, price can go back to the original frequency of the pitchfork as well. In the second green arrow, you can observe that price goes back to the frequency of the original center line of our standard downward sloping fork. In the next two red arrows, you can see that price respected the original frequency in both the outer line and in the center line of the major fork. Now I want to grab your attention to how we can make these lines even stronger by finding areas where lines of different types of forks intersect. I will draw a pendulum fork in one set of alternating pivots so you can see what I mean. Watch how the center line of the pendulum fork will also point precisely to a price extreme. Observe how lines from different forks intersect and predict a reversal in price. Remember that it's still a good idea to align this type of linework with the other elements of the analysis. Don't try to trade just using forks because they are a unidimensional technique despite their richness. Always attempt to trade using a multidimensional analysis.